Power on the device. Press and hold the reset button for 4 to 5 seconds.
Reset successfully.
Wait for the indicator light to flash blue quickly. Connect your smartphone to your 2.4 GHz home Wi-Fi network. Open Ezviz app. Click the plus sign on the top right. Click Add Device. Select the device to add. Scan QR code. Remember to tick it before next step. Next. Start. Remember to tick it before next step. Next. Please select router Wi-Fi and enter password. Next. Connect to device AP. Name and place device. Click Done. The device network is being configured. Device added successfully. Click Next. Optional, you can change encryption password if needed or tap on arrow to skip. The encryption password can be modified later in device's settings. For additional assistance, feel free to contact support team by emailing at support@ezvizlife.com. Our team love to help.